Welcome to The Bridge, a free learning tool that lets you create a Greek or Latin vocabulary list with just the words you need. This tutorial will show you how to create a list that includes words from 2 or more works. Begin by selecting your language, then identify your first target text. Let's read some Caesar today. Click Add Work, and let's read some Catullus. If we click Create, we'll see the vocabulary for all of Caesar and all of Catullus. But let's focus our reading on the first chapter of Caesar and poems 2 and 3 of Catullus. Once you've made your selections, click Create. The Bridge creates your customized list. Since we have customized definitions for both Caesar and Catullus in the Bridge, those definitions are selected by default. But you can choose your type of definition and then customize your list exactly as you wish. And here's your list: the first chapter of Caesar and Catullus 2 and Catullus 3. Happy reading!